Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Copo Corvette, and this is 69 Copo Corvette, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Ultra Hut series. So I bought it for 299. I do love Corvettes a lot, and I specifically bought this one because this is actually having a metal chassis. Oh my god, there's a lot of noise outside. I don't know who's roaming. Okay, if the dogs bark again like this, I might need to pause the video for a bit. I hope that doesn't that doesn't happen. Okay, so here it is. Let me just put it away. Okay, wow. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. Specifically, this color scheme. I personally love this color. I might have said this a couple of times in the recent days because we did unbox some color closer to this one. I do love this color, and that looks absolutely gorgeous. It has headlight details. I mean, it's supposed to be pop-up headlights if I'm not wrong, and at least they painted it here. The grill details are there, which is really beautiful, and you can see the tail light detail as well, which looks really nice, and it has interior detail to it. So the main line, I think the Corvette Stingray, if I'm not wrong, that doesn't have any interior, if you remember. So this is a full metal casting, as I mentioned, metal body and metal chassis. That's what I really loved so much about this casting. Okay, some people ask, I don't know, some cars doesn't have this Hot Wheels logo inside the flame, that that name. So usually they do it for cast cutting and I mean because it's full metal, right? They need to engrave this separately. So I mean, right now we know all we all know that this is a Hot Wheels. So maybe that's the reason they're not doing that. Okay, one thing is this part here, this grill here, that is actually plastic. Think that connects, yeah, that connects with the interior here. But apart from that, rest of the pieces here, I mean, the chassis and everything is full metal. That is really good. The exhaust really looks really nice. Even the chassis has a little bit of detailing here, and that is really good. This is what I'm expecting for Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels at 299. See, they're not going to give you any openable parts, right? They did, I think, one during last year, Ultra Hearts. I think it was a Pontiac only, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember it right now. It was a green car, if I'm not wrong. So I did unbox that. That's the first car which I unboxed, I guess. But I did unbox that car. I remember that very well. I went and bought that particular casting because it had a openable part, and it was a full metal casting. So I was hoping Hot Wheels would, Metal would do something like that for the price we are paying. Oh my god, I'm just going to pause it for a minute. Okay, guys, let's continue. So it's still a lot of noise is going on outside. I really don't know what to do, but let's continue the video. Okay, okay, 48 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, that rolls absolutely well. I mean, honestly, this particular casting didn't disappoint me in any way. It does have a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but I mean, at this point, I will just ignore that because it just jumps out of the track itself, and it rolls really well, and it is a full metal casting, and the color looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, at least they, only my only nitpick is instead of just going for this livery, always they could have just went with a flaming livery, like a flame or tribal logo kind of thing. It would have been much more gorgeous for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, it's a thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.